friends, welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you can get alerts when I post videos. Today is my Sunday reset, or just a weekly reset, and I like to start my mornings off with a tea. This morning I decided to do a detox tea. I added in some honey and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This tea really gets my bowels moving in the morning. It gives me like a fresh start, and it kind of sort of helps with bloating as well. So I absolutely love it. And this cup is from Target, guys. Let me tell you, this cup is like, it does not leak at all. I don't remember the exact brand, but I know it's at Target, and I think I show the brand on the front of the cup. So yeah, I also, in additionally to drinking my tea, I also am taking these detox tablets. You take 2 in the morning, 1 at night, or 2 at night, depending on your preference, for 3 days. So after I drink my tea, do my little morning hygiene, I go ahead and clean up my space and declutter. Clean space, clean head, and it puts you in the right space for a good week. So I'm just washing dishes, folding some clothes. I also vacuumed, wiped down my counters, cleaned my shower, lit some candles, and just set the tone for the week. For me, this is also the perfect time to go grocery shopping. So I just got back from Aldi, and I went to Target to grab a couple of things too. But this week I'm going to have tilapia, potatoes, and broccoli for dinner. And then lunch I'm doing a salad with some chicken breast. And I also got some groceries for next week as well. Next in my little reset routine is a shower. I have been loving the Dr. Bronner soap. I follow up with the sugar scrub. I use coconut oil to shave my legs and my underarms. I also washed my hair today. So I used the Mielle shampoo and her hair mask and her hair oil. I'm a Mielle fan over here. If you don't like it, you're like, I don't know, like you're just gonna like it. I also use a body oil and body butter on my skin. I've been loving body butters and body oils over lotions nowadays. I just feel like it gives my skin more hydration, especially during the colder months. Once I got out of the shower, I used these foot masks that I've had in my little self-care little drawer for the longest, and they're like the avocado foot mask. I got these from Target, by the way. They're like $4. Super cute, and they actually my feet felt so soft after taking these off. I kid you not. But right here I'm just moisturizing my body, my legs. Y'all kind of see the shine. We're getting it back. And I also like to use a nice fragrance after I shower. So I chose some Victoria scent and then this new perfume that I got from Marshall's. Yes, Marshall's for $12. Thank me later. For my hair this week, I'm keeping it pretty simple, using my Camille Rose Honey leave-in. I also used, what else did I use? I used the Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie and also the new Shea Moisture Defining Styling Gel. If you haven't tried the Defining Gel and you are a natural, I highly recommend that you try it. It's very good, very moisturizing, and it doesn't dry out your hair. This week I just opted for something simple. So I just ended up doing mini braids. I was attempting to call them knotless braids, but they're not. They're just mini braids on my hair, kind of like mini twists. They're not too small, but they're just the right size, so that when I take my hair out at the end of the week on Friday, it's gonna be a bomb braid out, for real. I'll try to include a clip of what my results look like, but for now I just put my hair back into a little clip until I got done doing the rest of my little reset. So I've also been loving to do my own nails lately. I typically wear my nails very short, fingertip short, kind of like nurse nails. You know how nurses can't or some nurses, depending on what specialty you work in, can't wear long nails or whatever. So mine are very cute, short. I did them white this time. I was actually really surprised with how well I did these. They they're really sturdy. They're not like flimsy or anything. So I'm not a nail artist. I'm not a nail tech. I'm not certified, licensed, any of that. I just like doing my own nails because it saves me money. And honestly and truly, I feel like I don't like going to the nail salon because I feel like they're the only people who can do like short nails for a decent price. Anywhere else that I go, like their short nails aren't short enough for me. So I just like to do them by myself, and it saves me money. So I started to say that I'm not a professional, but I did use the Valentino acrylic powder. I forget what shade of white this was, but it was from their website. I also used the ASP top gel coat from Sally's. It was like $8. I go over my nails at the end with some acetone just to give it a finished glossy look. And then after I do that, I wash my hands, go in with some cuticle oil. I also got this from Sally's, and put that all over my nail cuticles. I use some lotion to moisturize my hands, and that is pretty much my like nail set manicure for the week. Hopefully the next 2 weeks, because I'm really hoping that these last a little longer. I literally love these. They're so cute. So cute, so white. I've never done white nails before, so I love them. But after I'm done doing my nails, I go ahead and make myself some dinner. I just made some salmon and Alfredo. And after dinner, I go ahead and do some skincare. So I am using this silicone, like automatic face cleaner. I forget the exact company I got this from. I think it was sent to me just to like try out, but I actually really love it. I also don't remember where I got the face pad from, but I'm pretty sure it's from the same company. So if I can find the company, then I'll have it in the description box down below. But after I wash my face, I go ahead and kind of shave my little mustache, let's be honest, and any other like little hairs that I might have like on my chest or in my neck. It's just reality, so I do it. After I take care of all that stuff, I'm going to use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost or Hydro Blast face mask. This mask was so hydrating, like it felt so cooling, and my skin just looked really flawless after using this. So I let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I also had some teeth whiteners on my teeth, so the full package here. But after it's been set, I use my little roller and kind of just smooth the rest of the product in my skin before I actually take the mask off. And then I do the same thing once I take the mask off. I smooth the rest of the remaining product from the mask onto my skin. And you guys, you can clearly see where I put the mask at, because you can kind of see where it looks more, I guess, pale. You can see the line, So I'm always follow up with a moisturizer after I use a mask, regardless of how hydrating it is. It just helps to just go back in and just reinforce that moisture and lock that into your face. I personally use the Pods moisturizing cream, and I use a vitamin E oil in combination, and it just gives me the best healthy and glowy looking skin without making my face too oily. So I absolutely love it. And then after that, I'll go ahead and take my teeth whiteners off. Make sure my teeth are all nice, white, and clean. I do brush, but not immediately after. I go ahead and flush with mouthwash first and rinse out, and then I'll brush my teeth a little bit later. My teeth are bright, my skin is glowing. I feel so ready to conquer this week, and I hope you do too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.